Luckily, we're at every station that we go to, we get out and start from square one and move down. So we're not stuck inside the driving mode.
That's good.
To those of you who have just joined us, welcome aboard the Disneyland Monorail. For your safety, please remain seated, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the cabin. Watch your children, and no smoking, please.
Bienvenidos a bordo. Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren y cuide a los niños. Por favor, se ruega no fumar. Gracias.
We're now en route to our final stop, the Tomorrowland Monorail Station. Along the way, you can get a bird's-eye look at the downtown Disney District, Disney's Grand California Hotel and Spa, and Disney California Adventure. To the left of the monorail is the main entrance of Disneyland, the happiest place on earth. Disneyland is truly an American original. Since its opening in 1955, it has hosted hundreds of millions of guests from around the world, including presidents, kings, and celebrities. It is the original Disney theme park, created and enjoyed by Walt Disney himself. To the right is our transportation plaza, where you'll find taxis, hotel shuttles, and public transit stops. We're about to enter Disneyland. Some of the clearances are pretty tight up ahead, so be sure to remain seated, keeping your hands and arms inside the cabin. This is Tomorrowland, a land inspired by science fact and fantasy. Below us is the submarine lagoon, where you can dive into a fantastic underwater adventure aboard the Finding Nemo submarine voyage. Across the way are the icy peaks of Matterhorn Mountain, home of the world's most famous bobsled run. And beneath us is the Autopia, where drivers of all ages can travel the road to tomorrow. As we cruise over Tomorrowland, our pilot would like to share a few program reminders.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome aboard Monorail. My name is Gigi, this is your pilot speaking. The first Christmas Fantasy Parade has already stepped off at 2:30. It started at Small World, and it will end at Main Street. But don't you worry if you don't catch it. You can catch it at 5:30 from Main Street. It will end at Small World, as well as the Believe in the Holiday Magic fireworks show tonight at 9:30, weather permitting. We're slowly approaching our final destination. Please remain seated till the monorail comes to a full and complete stop. The doors have opened. On behalf of the monorail team, I'd like to thank you for joining us today, and we hope you enjoy the rest of your stay here at the Disneyland Resort, and happy holidays. Monorail Center from Monorail, please requesting for Tomorrowland Station. Puppy's afraid.
To the right of the monorail, you just might spot the sparkling gold spires of one of Disney's most beloved attractions. It's a small world. And now we're riding alongside the happiest kingdom of them all, Fantasyland, home to Pinocchio, Snow White, Peter Pan, and other storybook characters.
And just a friendly reminder, folks, the park will remain open until midnight tonight. So if you'd like to ride with us one last time to downtown Disney, please make sure you arrive at the Tomorrowland station at least 5 minutes before. That way you're guaranteed you'll be riding with us on our last ride to downtown Disney at midnight tonight. Thank you.
We're now approaching the Tomorrowland Monorail Station, our final destination. Please remain seated until the monorail comes to a complete stop. Then collect your belongings, watch your head, and step carefully from the train. On behalf of all of our crew, thanks for traveling with us, and we hope you'll have a happy and memorable visit here at Disneyland. This is the Tomorrowland Monorail Station.